Hi there, curious home cooks. I am Chef Jon.
I'm Chad Cooper.
What we're doing is doing Pantry Month. All those things that you think that you don't have time for or you don't have food in the pantry, we're here to say you've got lots of stuff in your pantry. Recently, someone asked, what 5 things do I need in my pantry? What are your thoughts, Chad?
Flour is one that I know, but outside of that, I can't remember all of the other ones. What do we got, John?
Well, there's actually a number of things that we could do where it starts to get really interesting. So if you check out our stream, our Twitch channel, you can see where we used flour in a number of ways. One of the things that we're going to talk about here is having vinegars in your pantry, having salt, having pepper at a bare minimum, and then having oil in your pantry. And what can we do with that? We can make a vinaigrette. What can we do with a vinaigrette, Chad?
We can make salad.
You can make salad. You can use it as a marinade for chicken. So just to demonstrate how easy this is, I've got a mason jar. I've got some white vinegar, and then I've got some balsamic vinegar. And they make friends, so I can go ahead and put my white vinegar into my mason jar,
White vinegar.
some balsamic vinegar into my mason jar, and then I've got just some basic flavor for salt.
Salt.
Recommend having that in our pantry, some black pepper. Recommend having that in our pantry. And then I've just got some oil, some canola oil, actually. Any oil will do. Any oil that you want the flavor of. Yeah, and canola is fairly neutral, right? I'm going to give it a good shake. And there we go, balsamic vinaigrette. So what I've done is I've taken some basic pantry items that I always have, and I recommend that you always have too. Salt, pepper, oil, and maybe even a mix of vinegars. It could be all white vinegar, all balsamic, red wine, white wine. It really doesn't matter. If you like the taste of it, you're going to love it on your salad, and you're going to love it, say, on your chicken breast that you can marinate.
What about like a marinated chicken breast salad?
You could have a marinated chicken breast salad. Thank you so much for tuning in. Check us out on our Twitch channel live on Mondays, 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time.
I'm Chad Cooper.
I'm John Harris.
See you next time.